Welcome to the installation video of the CURT 13505 Class 3 trailer hitch on a 2004 Hyundai Santa Fe. To begin, remove the spare tire to provide more room for the installation. Lowering the exhaust is not necessary, but it will ease the installation process. To do this, support the exhaust system with a ratchet strap or wire hanger to prevent damage. Remove the two rubber isolators holding the exhaust in place. We recommend using a spray lubricant or soapy water mixture with a pry bar to ease the removal process. Next, remove the tow hooks by uninstalling the two bolts holding each in place. You may need to use a penetrating lubricant if rust is present on the bolts. Raise the hitch into position. The main cross tube should be concealed behind the rear fascia, and the passenger side mounting plate notch should wrap around the rearmost exhaust hanger. Secure the hitch to the frame with the provided hex bolts and washers. Repeat this process on the opposite side. Torque all of the hardware to the exact value specified in the supplied instruction sheet. Reattach the exhaust if it was lowered and return the spare tire to the carrier. This completes the installation of the CURT 13505 Class 3 trailer hitch on a 2004 Hyundai Santa Fe. Make sure to check out all the CURT ball mount options and remember to install the vehicle-specific trailer wiring harness for your ride. Thanks for watching this video. Now you can bring it.